What's up, YouTube? Boo, boo, boo. I'm back, guys. I'm back with another segment of Cooking with Cookie. And today I am keeping it real cute and real classy and just making a small little barbecue chicken. How is that classy and cute? So first I'm going to take my chicken. I'm going to get my gloves on. I'm going to clean up my chicken. For barbecue chicken, some people leave the skin, but I'm not doing it on the grill. I am baking it. So it's baked barbecue chicken. So what I'm going to do is I'm looking at my cooker arm, okay? I'm going to peel off the skin and clean it off. I use lemon. Some people use vinegar. I use lemon and scrub them off and soak them out. They were a little frozen. Of course, I told the kids to take them out. So I waited a little while before I started the video, but they seem like they're just about ready. So I'm going to clean them up. And then I'm going to show you guys how I season and prepare my barbecue chicken, okay? So let's get cooking, good lookings. All right, so we're back with our clean chicken. I took some out of the pack and put to the side because my mom is not a fan of barbecue sauce. So right now what we're gonna do is we are going to put little slits in the chicken because I feel like that helps to get the inside cooked properly, all right? So you're just gonna take your knife and slice it down so it looks like that. So I'm gonna do that to all the chicken. Chickens is seasoned up and I put the little slits in them. They're very cutesy. I can't find my big glass baking pan, so I hope all of these gargantic legs can fit in here. And this says no antibiotics and stuff like that, but these are not my Trader Joe legs, which those I always think are so much better. They're not big and they're not scary like someone pumped them up with steroids. It's beautiful. All right, so you load them up in a baking tray. You guys saw all of my ingredients: onion powder, garlic powder. I add a little bit of honey for that extra honey barbecue effect. All of your excess sauce and things like that, you scrape it out of your seasoning bowl and make sure you just get it in there, rub it all over. All right, let me get off these heavy gloves because this is crazy. So the last step, if you guys watch me, I'm the queen of you always throw a half a stick of butter in with your chicken. You just throw it in there and it just makes everything right. Okay. And that should help with the tenderness of your chicken. That's enough. Okay, so a few little pieces, always like a half a stick. You should have like a good half a stick left. Do not put like a whole stick of butter in there unless you're doing like the butter method. If you guys checked out my video, I have butter method whole chicken. You could go look at that one if you ever wanted to make like a whole chicken or a turkey and you want it to be soft and savory. The key to that is butter. All right, so this is what we have. I'm going to put it in the oven for 400 and I'm going to give it about 45 minutes because we want that chicken cooked right, all right? So I'm gonna pop it in. I'm gonna go and do some garbage around the house, and I'll be back with you guys with our finished chicken real easy. Hi, guys. Guess what? Our chicken is done, done. And it got a nice little sauce growing in there. I like to just leave it swimming in the sauce. That's what keeps it nice and soft. So I am not going to do a taste test today with you guys because I am going out to eat and this is for the fam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a fork and show you guys. Let me get a fork. I'm going to show you guys how it separates and how it looks on the inside. All right, guys. So I got a knife and you see that? Because we put the butter, you guys. You see how it so easily just breaks out? It's just like, are you serious? I'll taste a little, just a little piece. Yep. This is the spot. All right, so you guys, this is the conclusion of our barbecue chicken quick recipe. You guys try it out at home. I want you to do what? Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And tell me some things you want me to make. Or I'm just going to keep baking and making on my own and showing you guys what I love to eat. And yeah, coming to the kitchen so we can do what? Get cooking, good lookings. Bye!